Welcome back to the channel. This video is part of a YouTube creators collaboration which involves motorhomes, caravans, camper vans, tents, etc. This video is of the top 5 things we love about our motorhome. So there will be a link to all the creators below and to the playlist, and also at the end of the video there'll be a link to the playlist on the end of the video as well. So what we'll do is we'll get on with the top 5 things we love about our motorhome. Right, here's number 1, our rear bathroom or shower room or washroom, whatever you like to call it. We've got a lovely sliding door that we can shut. We've got the toilet there, I'll show you that in a minute. We've got the sink and we've got a fairly large shower. So what I'll do is give you a quick look round it. Right, so we've got a central cupboard with a sink above it. I put that splashback on myself because there was nothing there. We've got 2 toothbrush holders and then it goes up to quite a tallish mirror. Over to the left we've got a storage cupboard for us toiletries, etc. There's a little shelf window there, little shelf below that little unit, and then we've got the toilet there. The toilet can be, with them quite longish legs, can be a bit tight, but I can manage okay. The other thing we love about this is the storage we have in the bathroom. So we've got quite a deep storage area that you can access from inside and also outside, and below that area is another storage area that you can only access from outside. Right, here I am, I'm in the shower, not naked of course. Right, so we've got 2 nice little bifold doors, close nicely. I've got plenty of waddle room in here. You can't probably see me. Hello, can't see me. So I've got plenty of waddle room in here, so it's really handy for a larger guy like me. So that's the other thing we like about the motorhome. Right, we'll move on to the next one. Right, so we're into the bedroom now. The thing we like is the single beds, and also we can close off the area to make it private with the door instead of just one of those privacy curtains. Underneath the bed we've got loads of storage. As you can see, we've got loads of storage there. That's where your Truman heater and your water pump etc is under that one. And under this side, which is Karen's, we've got loads of internal external storage there, and this is just internal storage. So it's got quite a lot of storage, which is the thing we liked. Right, the next thing we love about our motorhome, especially me, is I can stand under this drop down bed. We went in somewhere and we were looking around for this one and I had to stand like that, or even crouch my knees a bit just to get under the drop down bed, but this is perfect. So I've got at least 40mm above my head, so that's the thing, I like it. I can stand here upright without worrying about anything. So that's the reason we fell in love with this motorhome as well. And this bed is wider, actually wider than a double bed. So apart from down the bottom end where it curves off so you can get out the door. So it's very comfortable, and we don't use it a lot. We only use it if we've got a guest in the rear bedroom, or we have the 2 grandchildren. If we only have one grandchild, the grandchild sleeps in there. So that's the thing we love about that one, and it hides away nicely, and it drops down to a reasonable height. It could have gone a little bit further down, but it's not too bad. You've got enough room to get on and get off, and a ladder which is underneath here, I keep under there, hooks onto there. So that's one good thing, and that's what we fell in love with, because we've got the 2 single beds, so there's only me and Karen. And if we've got guests, so we take the grandkids away, we've got the choice of 4 beds. Right, the other thing we fell in love with when we saw this motorhome was the actual room we've got, and the openness, open and airy, and also it's quite a light motorhome with a lighter wood. So you can see straight from one end of motorhome to the other, which is very similar to what our Bessica was actually. So you're straight into the rear shower room, and you've got the openness of the motorhome that way down as well. And the reason we also liked it was the sliding doors. So you could have a bit of privacy as well. Those are the top 5 things we love about our motorhome. There's a lot more we love about it. When we first went into this one, we've been in 1 or 2 other ones. We did want 2 single beds and a rear bathroom. This, we just fell in love with this motorhome, the layout. Like you say, we've had it 2.5 years. We wouldn't change it. It's perfect for us at the moment. I'm not sure whether we'll change it in years to come, I can't say. But that's what we like. It was the right price, it was the right layout, and it had most of the things we wanted. Some things we could have done with more of, but we couldn't really afford to have anything else done to it. So that's what we like about our motorhome. Don't forget to check out the other creators' videos on this playlist. So don't forget the link to the playlist is below, and also the creators of the other videos on this playlist. And also at the end of the video there will be another link you can click to get to the playlist. Right, so we'll call that it for the end of this video. If you like what you see, don't forget, give us that thumbs up. And if you like the content of the channel, please consider subscribing. It costs nothing, it's free. And also, if you do decide to subscribe, click that little notification bell. It'll tell you when I've uploaded some more videos in the future. Right, so we'll say goodbye for now, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye. See you next time.